Okay, so it's been a little while since I made a video, but here it is. So it's all together and driving. It needs a little bit of a tune for the cam that I put in. I'm running a comps cam. It's not super aggressive, but it's aggressive enough that it doesn't want to idle. Plus with the long tube headers and all that, it's not very happy. I haven't put the fender wells in yet, as you can see, but as long as you left foot brake, you can still get from here to there. So, but it runs really strong. I'm still waiting for exhaust. Seems like waiting for parts during COVID has become a thing. But yeah, nothing fancy underneath. The only thing that is kind of unique under here, and it's really difficult to see, but you can see there's aluminum spacer underneath the intake manifold right there, and that's to allow me to run the old style intake on the new style heads. I had to run an adapter. The bolts line up, but the ports are very different. And then still waiting on an exhaust, so just running this one for now. But yeah, as soon as the exhaust comes in, should be good. And then, as you can see, the bay has finally been freed. It's been a bit since this truck has left this bay, but here it is. And then here's what's coming next. I'm going to take one of these and put in the powertrain of one of those and make a pretty nice little car. But yeah, so that's all I've got for now. Thanks for watching.